The Mk6 Golf alarm system relies on three key components that work together to protect your vehicle. The comfort module acts as the brain of the system, processing signals from door switches and locks. Issues often come from corroded pins or software bugs, especially in humid climates. Door microswitches detect when doors are opened or closed. They can wear out over time and cause sticking, triggering false alarms. The Siren battery, typically a 9 volts type, provides power for the alarm sound. It weakens over time, leading to constant or weak beeping, even when the car is secure. False alarms often stem from faults in these components. VW released an OTA update in 2024 for some models that addresses comfort module issues. Check this first if your vehicle is eligible. Start with the easiest fix. Replace the Siren battery, as it's a common cause of alarm issues. Next, inspect and clean the door microswitches to ensure they function properly. Test their continuity using a multimeter. It should read near 0 ohms when the door is closed. If problems continue, the comfort module may be the issue. Try resetting it by disconnecting the car battery for 10 minutes. Or consider a diagnostic scan at a VW dealership to identify specific faults with discounted rates available. For microswitch issues, OEM parts are relatively inexpensive. Replacing aging capacitors in the comfort module is another alternative.